Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 118 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions, and we read the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you so you don't have to read all the questions and answers. So on today's episode, we're talking about a Great Lakes cruise, obviously in the summer. Crispy bacon. I'm in. We're done here. Oh, sorry, there's more. Blue Iguana serving quesadillas. My time knitting, not to be confused with my time dining. And skinny cocktails. All right, question one. This cruiser asked, and we know this one, Eric, North Shore Travelers, what's going on, man? Would Carnival ever consider doing a Great Lakes cruise in the summer months, starting and maybe ending in Duluth, Minnesota? It better be the summer months, and it's only like 2 months because everything's frozen up there. John said, well, he didn't want to say they would never consider it, but at the moment there are no plans to do this. Because of the Jones Act, you have to stop in a foreign port. Canada, it's right there. So even if you take a tender to go and watch a deer run around, I don't know, at least it'll be a foreign port. But I think that's a really cool idea. I've never been to the Great Lakes, and I think it'd be cool to be on a cruise boat in the Great Lakes. Just me. Anyway, question two. This cruiser will be cruising shortly on the Glory, and they wondered if they can get some crispy bacon. Every time they go to the Lido deck, it's that big pile of bacon, and they can never find bacon that's crispy enough for them. So they want to know, how do I get crispy bacon? John said, it's easy. All you do is talk to the chef or the people behind the Lido, the buffet, and let them know, hey, I would like some crispy bacon. If they don't have any, they will go back and they will probably take some of the soggy-ish bacon, put it back on the fryer, and make it nice and crispy for you. So if you like the crispy bacon, you can get it. You just have to ask for it. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Now on to question three. This cruiser said they love the food on the Carnival cruise ship, but wondered why Blue Iguana doesn't have quesadillas. They'd imagine it would be quite popular. I would agree. John said he didn't think there was a specific reason, and he would share it with his colleagues. Me, myself, Liz, my wife, we love quesadillas. I think that would be amazing. They have everything right there. They have the cheese, they have the tortillas. All you gotta do is put the stuff inside, fold it over, put it back on that little warming plate, and ta-da, quesadilla. So maybe it takes too long because you gotta melt the cheese. That would be my guess, but man, that would be freaking great. I would definitely be chilling at Blue Iguana a lot. All right, question four. This cruiser was on a Trans-Pacific cruise from Singapore to Long Beach. And they had many interesting lectures available, and my time knitting was one they were really excited about. They wanted to know if this would be on other transatlantic cruises, or maybe it's just a Pacific thing. They weren't specific. John said there will definitely be a lecture on board, but the subjects are not known at the present time, but there will be one for you. We know a couple cruisers that would absolutely be interested in this. Hi, Jeremy and Sheryl. And you can bring your own knitting stuff and do it anywhere on the ship if you find it comfortable. But as for a specific my time knitting, he's not sure right now. Last question. This cruiser wants to know if any of the bars offer skinny cocktails. They're not a big fan of seltzers. Most people aren't. I don't know why they serve those. Anyway. But they typically bring Crystal Light packages and add water to that and vodka. Liz does the same thing, by the way. But was hoping for some more tropical flavored, low sugar drinks. John said, well, they don't have that brand available. Skinny is cornered the market on that, and they have a ton of different flavors. But he did say, you can go to the Alchemy Bar. and the Alchemist will make something. It may not be Skinny brand, but they do have low-cal stuff to make you a low-sugar tropical drink with some alcohol. So there you go. You can still get them, just not the Skinny brand. That's been episode 118 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.